Took a leap through a box, super weird, to a swamp where frogs talk. Oh, now I'm stuck, got no plans, just my luck, I'll do the best that I can. Whoa! Making friends and enemies, it's weird but hey, it's grown on me. Bugs, frogs, newts and toads, gonna be a bumpy road. Flies for snacks, worms for lunch, I think I actually love this one. It's no big deal.
Sorry that I did this. The blood is on my hands. I stare at my reflection. I don't know who I am. Practice my confession. In case I take the stand, I'll say I learned my lesson. I'll be a better man. I'm packing up my things and I'm wiping down the walls. I'm rinsing off my clothes and I'm walking through the halls. I did it all for her, so I felt nothing at all. I don't know what she'll say, so I'll ask her when she calls.